Scorpio, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity, all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my link tree. Link is in the bio. I do have some treats for you, Scorpio. Your word of the day is one step at a time. You're making sure that you don't stop every day, no matter if you're taking one day at a time, 1 hour at a time, 1 minute at a time, 1 second at a time, as long as you continue to move forward. Big steps, medium steps, small steps, as long as you do not stop. Because in no time, you're going to be at your destination, crossing the finish line and stepping into your blessings. So don't worry about what's ahead. Don't worry about the journey. Just keep on moving forward, chopping at that tree. I see the mountain ahead. I dedicate myself to taking one small step at a time, and I make progress by staying focused in the present moment, chopping away each day. The current task, I thus regain my ease of living, and breakthrough comes my way. You're in total control, Scorpio. Make sure you keep working on and showing up and showing out every day with your gifts. And watch how in no time you'll be promoted to the level that you're looking at and you see in your mind. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.